cycling community, for the Palermo family and friends of Tom. What we're all experiencing today is just grief, anger, and loss over losing such a prominent member of our cycling community. I know Tom meant a lot to all of us, especially those who are privileged enough to be riding some of his craftsmanship. A lot of us are feeling upset right now over the way we lost Tom, over the circumstances, where it happened, how it happened. We'll have a time for justice, but right now, today is for Tom. We're going to let the authorities do their job responsibly, give them the time that they need to do it. But right now, we're here for Tom and his family. As is sadly becoming a major custom in cycling culture, we're going to put a ghost bike here to remember Tom. So as we're riding by this location, we can understand that he lost his life here. We can remember him. Again, thank everybody for coming out today. I'm going to turn it over to Tom's brother-in-law, Jeff, to say a few words.
On behalf of Tom and Rachel's family, I want to thank Baltimore for organizing this memorial ride, and also thank fellow cyclists, friends, and neighbors for participating and remembering Tom on this cold and windy New Year's Day. The incredible love and support from the cycling community when one of their own has tragically been taken from us is truly overwhelming. We also want to thank the firemen at Station 5 in Roland Park, the Chinkopin EMTs, the Baltimore City Police, and the pedestrians and cyclists who responded so quickly and worked so hard to help Tom last Saturday. Tom was incredibly passionate about bicycles, whether it was mountain bikes, road bikes, hybrids, time trial bikes. Tom loved them all. And not just riding, but also manufacturing and servicing them. Tom was also an advocate for safety for cyclists. Recently, Tom had not had a chance to ride as much as he would have liked. With a wife, 2 young children, full-time job, and a side custom bike manufacturing business, there just wasn't much time. Last Saturday was a beautiful day, and Rachel, who realized how busy they had been, suggested Tom to do what he loved and go out for a ride. As tragic as this accident was, and the grief that our family feels, it is our hope that the awareness caused by this horrible event will ultimately result in the saving of tens, if not hundreds, of cyclists' lives in the future. We please ask everyone, cyclists, pedestrians, and drivers, to be considerate of one another. Tom would want everyone to go for a ride and to come home safe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now Greg Hinchliff, Executive Director for Baltimore, is going to say a few words.
And just a few. It would be tempting to make this a commercial for Baltimore, for advocacy in general, or even just for bike safety. But today is for Tom and for Tom's family. The only thing I would request of all of you, after thanking you for coming out and showing all this support for Tom, show the support for all the rest of you while you're still here. I'd like to take this opportunity to lead everyone in a moment of silence in memory of Tom. Thank you very much. family thanks you. The bicycling community thanks you. Be careful.
I think we're ready to place the bike. I'd like to thank everyone for coming out today. Again, the event in Hamden is for friends and family of Tom only. If you're leaving from here, go safely. If you'd like to continue on with another bike ride, I'm going to be riding from here myself. Thank you very much.
Right, stay.
Good seeing you. Really well.